All right. We are live right now, guys. Who's joining me here? Okay. Yeah, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're joining from, guys. All right. I'm still on this SUI trade, guys. I'm still there. All right. I've taken like two. Yeah. I closed the first one, closed the second one, and then I re-entered again. This was from the live section in the morning. All right. So let me know if you took this trade. If you are still holding on, well, okay, good for you. But when we talk about scalping, guys, I saw that opportunity, okay, and I've taken advantage of it like twice now, and I believe I'll go for the third time now again. All right, I'll go for the third time now again, right? Okay, so let's see. Let's look at it together, guys. Let's look at it together. Let's look at it together. Okay. Yeah, so currently I'm still on this, all right, and maybe this will be the long-term trade. Maybe this will be the long-term trade. I don't know. Okay, so looking at the 5 minutes time frame, this was actually where I was taking advantage of these guys. All right, so enter that morning, right, somewhere around there, and came down. I took profit. We entered again. I re-entered again actually at five. I think 585 or thereabout, and then closed it again with around 10% move. Okay, and then I re-entered again. Right. So this is where we currently are right now. Hoping that this will break down a bit. We'll go get back maybe to 56 cents or even 57 cents. Okay, even at 57 cents, I'm going to equally close the trade again until we finally start breaking to the downside, guys. Until we finally start breaking to the downside, right here. Okay, but we'll just take advantage of the scalping, right? We'll just take advantage of the scalping and be making profit for ourselves. So if you have made 10%, 20%, all right, like two, three times right now, that would be, something great, right? Yeah, good evening, good afternoon, good day. I'm Vincent. Thank you for joining us here. How far did you took the SUI trade? Did you trade this token? Did you trade this token? All right, I've closed like twice. Okay, I'm still looking to close again, to close another trade again the third time. Okay, I'm still holding on. All right, I'm still holding on. This time around, I'm looking if this can get down to around 56 cents or thereabout, I'll close again. All right, yeah, so that's currently what I'm looking at. For the ASTR, let's look at that and see. Stable. All right, guys. Any of the trades you took, guys, just share your PNLs with me, right? Share PNLs with me, guys. Let's see how far. Yeah, for those of you who took this trade, still holding on, still holding on. Okay, still holding on, guys. Still holding on. Okay, so let's see if that will break. Yeah, I think right now this token is pumping and trying to break that level, right? So until this particular candle right now, okay, this is on the daily time frame. Let's go to the 4 hours. Yeah, until this candle closes above this support and resistance level, guys, we are still in that trade. Okay, until this closes above that area. Okay, until this closes above that. Let's do a quick scalp on this trade. Actually, let's do a quick scalp. Um, Guys, I'm going to do market entry here. Okay, I'm going to enter with market order for this trade. If you are not in the trade already, okay, this is for those who are not in the trade already because we looked at it this morning and that was the setup I gave this morning. So if you took this and then maybe it drops to around 0.064, that you would have taken, okay, yeah, we send us traded twice. So yeah, we look for another opportunity. Okay, basically what we are doing is scalping, right? So we just take advantage of the scalping opportunity. Though this may break and go to the upside, but we just need to, take advantage of that. So if you have entered with market order around this area of 66, all right, 0.066, then that would have given you some profit. So yeah, let me open up that tab too and see how many times we can actually take advantage of that, guys. All right, guys, please don't what we are looking here is if there is a 5% move in our favor, we take profit. If there is a 10% move in our favor, we take profit. 20% move and all of that. So we are not looking for much. We're not looking for much. Okay, here on the 5 minutes, we can be trading between this area and this area and be taking profit until when we break either to the upside or to the downside, right? Either until we break either to the upside or to the downside. Okay. So yeah, pay attention to that trade. For BLZ, let's look at BLZ. I saw BLZ pumping actually. I think I saw it recently pumping. Let me check Bybit. Let me check Bybit. Guys, give the video a like. Give the video a like. Give the video a like, guys. Okay. Give it a like. Give it a like. Give it a like. Yeah, let's have the like coming in. Thank you. Thank you for liking. And if you don't have a Bybit account, go to the description of this video and sign up for a Bybit account. Okay, sign up for a Bybit account and join my ongoing trading competition for Gate.io coming up, right? All right, guys. So I think what was the setup I had here yesterday? Okay, we're looking at which level is that? That level is too far actually. BLZ pumping. So let's go to 15 minutes. Okay, yeah, this was the area we're looking at, though we didn't get down to that level, guys. We didn't get down to that level, so we just had that rejection at the 618 level, right? So we had that rejection at the 618 level. Then remember, this is our resistance level now turned to support. So we had a bounce here, and then we've been going up and up and up. So for this trade, you'll be looking, for a pullback, guys. Let's wait for a pullback. Okay, you can go to like the 5 minutes time frame, wait for a pullback and take a trade to the upside. Because for BLZ, this token is not playing with anybody at all. Right now we're above our trend line, our resistance level, right? We're above. This is the level we're looking at, right? But currently we're above that level at 14 cents right now. Okay, at 14 cents. So we've broken above that level. This candle closed above, like day before yesterday, closed above that, yesterday above that. Today again we are sitting at that support level. So we should be looking for a long trade from here going forward, guys. We should be looking for a long trade going forward. I see BLZ going to $20 or thereabout. Okay, let me check the funding fee right now, and somebody should check funding fee for BLZ for me. What's the funding fee for BLZ? Check funding fee and let me know in the comments. Let's see, how we can take advantage of this. This is on the weekly time frame. So currently we don't have any other level we should be looking at. I say we want to use the week, okay? Because currently, if I see this level here, that's exactly where we are currently trading at, okay? We're even slightly above that on the weekly time frame. So we don't have any level right now we are looking at, guys. So this thing can just, shoot up just like this, go to 19 or 20 cents, all right, before it comes that back and all of that, all right? So yes, yesterday, day before yesterday, we got up to 15 cents and then we dropped. So right now, guys, just wait for a pullback and you take a trade to the upside. Let's be looking for a trade to the upside. You can do a quick scalp actually. When you have rejection like this week, okay, you can do a quick scalp down and all of that. So on On the 15 minutes time frame, we can equally look at this level here this week at 15 cents, right? If we get to 15 cents, you can do a quick scalp to the downside, maybe looking for like 10-20% and all of that. All right. So yeah, 0.5 now. Because this pump just started, right? That's why you're seeing it at 0.5%. That's why you're seeing it at 0.5%. If this begins to pump right now, all right, once we get to 15 cents, 16 cents, you'll see the funding rate will begin to increase and the rest. Now you check the time, okay? How many hours do we have left and the rest before you? But let's look at BLZ. I will be looking for more of long trade than a short trade. But if you get up to this around 15 cent level, I'll be taking a quick shot to the downside. All right. So yeah, that's basically for BLZ. And for Kava, I just closed my trade on Kava. So you wait for a pullback. I saw what you posted yesterday, Vincent, and then I decided to take advantage of it. I entered Kava at 66 cents. Currently is at 68 cents, right? I think so. That's where I closed that. Okay. I closed Kava at 68 cents, but I'm still because Bybit will be listing Kava on spot trading. Though it's trading on the futures market, but not on the spot market. All right. I guess that is the big news that Kava actually, published on their platform, because Bybit has already announced that they will be for trading on the spot market. Okay. So I decided to take advantage of the dump yesterday and entered at 0.66, right? Yes, I entered at 0.66, and it nearly actually touched because my stop loss was at 64, 0.6, that is 64 cents. Though it didn't get to 64, so we had this pushback up, and this gave me about 40% move in the market, right? With the 10x level, it gave me about 40% move in the market. So yeah, for now, we look for more, another entry for Kava, right? Okay, I'm looking for another entry for Kava. So let me get the Bybit information on listing of Kava. Let's know when that will happen, because that will actually make the difference. Okay, when that happens, it will equally move the market up. All right, once that listing happens, it will move the market up. Okay, so let me get the information for that listing for Kava, and then we can take it up. All right, so we look at this area as our support. Then we can equally look at, basically, if I look at this area here, you see that is exactly where we rejected. Okay, so we are now using this area as a resistance. So this was our previous support, now becomes resistance. All right, that is where we went up to, rejected, and then came back down and all of that. So we are currently at this level. Let me equally look for another level on the 4 hours time frame. We should probably be looking at this area here, right? So that area there is another area of interest on the 4 hours time frame. So if I go down to the 1 hour time frame, I want to see something like this. I want to see this come down to that 0.66 level again. Okay, so if this gradually comes back down to this level, we should be taking a trade to the upside. All right, that's what I'll be looking at. So my long setup will be from here, right, and then target this level here. And if we break above that level, we'll take it back up. Okay, we throw the market up there. All right, if we break above that level, we'll throw the market up there. So this is what I'm looking at for Kava. All right, I'm looking at re-entering this trade when we get that, to that area. When we get down to that area, I want to re-enter this trade. But before then, give me a moment. Let me look for the listing date so that we'll have that in mind. Okay, let's look at the day this stuff will be listed, so that we can, know when this token is likely to go to the upside. All right, let's know when this token is likely to go to the upside, guys. So I'm checking in my Twitter. Let me see when that is. Canva. If you have the information, put it on the comment for me. Of when it will be listed, put it on the comment for me. Bybit listing was when? Okay, so the official announcement on Bybit, it will be listed when. Um, I didn't put the date. Let me go to the announcement page and let's take it up from there. Information here is all right, guys. So the announcement was made yesterday. Deposit is open from now till today. Okay, cover listing will be today. It has already been listed. It has already been listed. Let's check. Let's check, guys. Okay, we need to get the information so that we'll be able to make decisions that can help us make money here. Cover. Okay, let's go to trade. Go to spot trading. Let me check because the cover listing August 23rd, 10 a.m. UTC. 10 a.m. UTC, that's what I'm seeing on my screen here. And then withdrawals will open August 4th and all of that. Okay. And then Bybit is giving away 150,000 cover for those who will take advantage of that. All right, guys, give me a moment. Okay, let me get this information for cover so that we make decisions that, except there is another exchange where they want to list this, but for Bybit, okay, the listing is today. And from what I'm seeing here on my screen, it means that it has been listed already for spot trading. So I wonder why it didn't make any impact on the token. How come we didn't see? Let's check for cover. Cover is not here. How come? Am I not seeing well, guys? Thought I saw 23rd of August. Is today not 23rd? Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that. I think there is a mix-up somewhere. I don't know where the mix-up is coming from. But cover is not here yet. Cover is not here. I guess I didn't get the right source of information also. Anyway, basically what we should be looking at, guys, I'm looking for a buy for cover, and then that buy will be if cover gets down to this level, that's when I'll be buying. Okay, if it gets down to this level, I'll buy and then take profit up there at 0.72, guys. All right. So yeah, let's see how that works. That's exactly what I'll be looking at for cover. I don't know the announcement whether it is on Bybit or Bybit's announcement is different, or maybe they have postponed it. Okay, this one I didn't see there. Maybe they have postponed it and all of that. I don't know. But guys, let's just pay attention to cover and see how. Let's just pay attention on cover and see how that goes. Okay. All right. So yeah, let's go. Let's move forward. So my entry is there. 0.66. That is 3660. Okay. 0.3660. That should be my entry. My stop loss will be around 0.647. And then my take profit will be around that is 0.70, around 70 cents, 72 cents. Okay, those are my take profit levels for the cover trade. Vincent, I hope you've taken note of that. Okay, let's look at Doge from Freeborn. Freeborn wants us to look at Dogecoin. Doge. Is Dogecoin still existing? I still have a lot of Dogecoin actually. When did I buy that Dogecoin? I bought at 0. I think 7 something or 70 something cent. I bought Dogecoin and said, look at it. Look at what trading views do. Whenever you open Dogecoin, they will bring you, that Doge whatever to come and dance for you and all of that. Right? So we are just waiting for Elon to, make a tweet, say something about Doge, and you will see this going going up there and the rest. Pay attention, okay? The next bull run, pay attention to Dogecoin, pay attention to Pepe. Okay, some of these main coins, Shiba Inu and the rest, pay attention to those coins, right? For the next bull run, guys, I see those tokens doing, making a lot of money for some persons. All right. So what I'm doing for Pepe, I'm doing like a DCA. When I get $10, I buy Pepe. When I get $5, I buy Pepe. Until maybe I get up to $100 in that stuff. All right. If I get up to $100 or $200, I will hold that. And then when it hit another all-time high or thereabout, I'll go ahead and sell. All right. Currently for Doge, this is where we are right now. We are at the support level, guys. Since BTC dumped, it brought everything to that support level down here. So yeah, and that supports. For me, looking for a trade for Doge. Let's go to lower time frame. Look at that. We came rejected. So I will be looking to take a trade from that area too. Okay, I'll be looking to take a trade down here. That is 0.06071. 0.06071. That should be my entry for a long trade for Doge. Put your stop loss just beneath. Okay. But if anything happens that BTC does below 25,000, then you see Doge going down to 0.05. All right, 0.05 or even lower. Okay, so for Doge, I'll be entering, looking to take a long trade. It will come test this level again at 0.06071. All right, and then my take profit, I can take it to as high as that 0.073. Okay, yeah, 0.073 up there. All right, so that's what I was looking at for Doge, and then stop loss will be just below, and you can manage your stop loss. Okay, manage your stop loss, guys. So let's look at GRT USDT. Okay, SUI doing some profit for me. Should I close and re-enter again? I'm still waiting. All right, let it go down low. Let it go down more. Go down. I'm looking for more profits. GRT. Let's look at GRT, guys. Yeah, still at that level. Okay, this one is equally at the support level, guys. So look at picking a trade down there. All right, our entry for a long trade will be 0.087, guys. That's what I'll be looking for. Okay, 0.087. That's where I'll be looking to take a trade to the upside. So my entry will be here, and then I'll target that high there. And put stop loss slightly close. All right. For GRT, this is what I'll be looking at. All right. If you want to trade GRT, that's where I'll be entering that trade. I'm not going to rush into it. I'll enter that trade when I get to that level. All right, for WU USDT, Let's look at Woo. So we broke below this level. I was looking at initially, broke below this level too. So I'm still waiting. We had a bounce at that trend line, and then we came back down again. So we had a bounce at that trend line, came back down again, and we are going up this time around. So here I can say this is my support level right now. I'm using this area as my support. Okay. So let's use that zone as our support area for this trade. Can break it down that way. So if what I personally will be looking for, okay, if this come back down again, I'm taking a long trade from here to the upside, guys. All right, we will see something like this again. All right, maybe here you take a trade to the upside. So long trade for this will be here. We pick a trade here, and then we can take that to the upside, guys. If you want to stay in this trade for long, you can target this high there. So that's what I'll be looking at for GRT. All right, wait for it to play back down to that level, and then we'll take a trade to the upside. Let it come back down to that level, we'll take a trade to the upside. Okay, that's what I personally will be looking at for that trade. For SUI, I'm in that trade already, and if you're just joining Beauty, okay, you didn't join us in the morning. So for SUI, I'm in that trade already, and I was telling them, exited that trade like 3 times. Okay, this is the third time actually. Yeah, I've exited it twice. This is the third time that I'm entering that trade. So if you want to enter this trade, you can still enter with a very low level, because I still see this, even if it doesn't get to this trend line, though it will get back to that trend line. Okay, I still see this coming to bounce at this trend line and going back. All right, but how long it will take, that is what I can't say. But if you want to take a quick scalp, okay, you can target at 55 cent, 56 cent, all of those levels. All right, 55, 56 cent, target those levels, and see how you can take profit from there as well. All right, so then when we get back down here, you can be looking for a long setup from here to the upside. So yes, I'm still scalping this trade. Okay, I think I'm still in the trade. Not I think, I am still in the trade. I'm still waiting for it to play out. I can close it now because I'm already in profit and re-enter again. So once you give me 5-10%, I close, look for another trade. 5-10%, I close, look for another trade, and the rest. Okay, but this 1 hour candle will close in the next 1 minute. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Let it come. My take profit is around 55. Yeah, 55 cents. Okay. Yeah, at 55 cents, I should take profit, and yeah, that's what I'm looking at, 55 cents. Okay. 55 cents, that should give me around 20% or thereabout. All right. So, okay. Thank you, Football, for confirming that it was postponed on Bybit. Okay. Okay. I guess that is why we have not seen the impact yet. Okay, because I was wondering how can it be listed on Bybit and then we are not seeing any impact on it. All right. So cover, still pay attention on cover. I'm still going to re-enter a trade on cover and all of that. So let's put an eye on cover. I don't know when it will be listed. Maybe these guys are planning something big and all of that. So when it is finally listed, pay attention and take advantage of it. All right. Pay attention and take advantage of it. What is the figure on Woo? Okay, I think I mentioned that. Let me go to Woo, and let's go to Woo again. Sorry if I didn't mention that. So for Woo USDT, entering is at 0. Yes, I think I didn't mention that. 0.1652. Entry 0.1652, and I'm looking at putting stop loss at 0.1607. Then take profit can be 17 cents, 18 cents, 19 cents, 20 cents, whatever you want. Okay, you can put your take profit there. But entry for Woo is 0.1656. 0.1656. All right, that is what I'm looking at for Woo. You can take your entry can be as high as that level there. All right, your entry can be as high as that level there. Let me just snap this thing and dump it on the Telegram for those who are always lazy of joining us. Let's see if they'll be able to understand what we have here and take advantage of it. Okay, so let me take a screenshot of this. That is what I'll be doing now. Okay, any setup we have, we'll just take a screenshot and then put it there for, since you don't see my screen very well, when you go to the Telegram, you should be able to get the information there, okay? So I'll just post it there as USDT, right? Right, so that's for Woo. Let's look at which other one again did we look at? Okay, and yeah, going forward, any other one I look at, I can just put it on the chat there. Okay, GRT, I think we equally looked at GRT as well. GRT, USDT, GRT, USDT, let's look at that. Yeah, entering is at 0.087. Okay, 0.087. Let me remove this line so it will not be confusing. So for GRT, entry is at 0.08768. 0.08768. 0.08768. That is for GRT. Stop loss is at 0.08565 and take profit. I'm looking at it at 0.9689. This if it gets to that level. So I'll equally put this on the Telegram so that you can go through it later on after the live stream. Okay, you can go through it and see what's possible. That is GRT USDT. Okay, yeah, so okay, which other one again? Spot listing deposit 22nd. Okay, yeah, deposit. I think deposit is still open. Okay, for that as well. All right, guys, let's check. Okay, let's pay attention to when that will happen. All right, but right now you can start buying Carva. Okay, you can start buying Carva on any exchange of your choice if you want to trade it on spot and start making deposit into the Bybit exchange. So that when it's finally listed, once the price skyrocket, you can sell it immediately and take profit, guys. Okay, you sell immediately and take profit. Okay, so TRU USDT. I don't know if that trade has triggered already. Let's see. I was waiting for that pump to retrace, then we can take a trade to the upside. It didn't get to our entry. All right, it did not get to our entry. My entry for TRU is at 0.032, but currently we are at 0.033. So we did not get to that entry level. I was looking at taking a long from here to the upside. But I'll still wait. That setup is still there, so I'll still wait. If we get down to that level, I'll take a trade. Okay. Let's say it will gradually get down to that level. I'll take a trade from there to the upside. All right. So TRU for beauty, that's what I'll be looking at to enter a trade here to the upside. Right. Though this had a bounce before we got to that level. All right. The level I'm looking at is 0.03235, but we had that bounce from 0.03285. Okay, yeah, almost close. We were just slightly close. Okay, but let's see how that plays out. Okay, let's see if we get down to that level where we are targeting. Okay, let's see if we can get down to that level, guys. All right. Okay, yeah, guys, you're welcome. Okay, welcome. So yes, SUI still running. Can we go lower? Can it go lower? Can SUI go lower? Can SUI go lower, guys? Can it go lower, or I should just close and re-enter? What's your suggestion, guys? What do you want me to do? Should I close and re-enter or wait? Okay, I was looking at SUI with the Heikanashii candle, and I can see that Heikanashii candle and on the Heikanashii candle on the 1 hour time frame has started printing red. Okay, so with that, if that sustained, okay, if that holds, let me change this to the Heikanashii candle. Let's see. So as you can see here, right, it has been green all this while from here down up there. So we started printing red candle, and I believe it is the season of red. So let me see if I can get up to 4 or 5 of this candle printing red on the Heikanashii candle. Okay, yeah, this is what I am using as a bait. Okay, so if the Heikanashii candle continues to print red, maybe the next candle prints a red again and the rest, then is a good indication that this can go down. Okay, it's a good indication that this can go down. So if we have this candle up to 5, that will give us a good profit. Maybe that will be able to send this SUI to around 55 cents or 56 cents or thereabout. But let's just pay attention and see what the Heikanashii candle can do for us. Okay, all right. So yeah, I'm still looking to see what that can do. But let me change it back to my normal candle. All right. So my Bybit exchange, I have the Heikanashii candle on. While on Trading View, I have my normal candle. So I just needed to share with you what I'm currently looking at, why I'm still in this trade, why I've not closed it, because you know I got I think up to 10% move or thereabout before it started retracing and the rest. So we'll still hold on and see if this can bring us down, even if we don't get to the trend line. Once we get 20% at 56, 55 cents, we close the trade, okay, and look for more opportunities, guys. As I always say, okay, pay attention when you pick a token, pay attention to that token, most especially when the token is pumping. Pay attention and scalp the hell out of that token, okay? Scalp that token until the token say all right? Until the token says all right. So guys, if you are good at scalping or if you know how to use this stuff, you just sit down with your phone, all right? Open your chat somewhere, maybe on your desktop, on your TV, or your laptop, okay? And just be doing your scalping. When it goes up, you put in your whole capital, take 2-3% out. When it goes down, put in your whole capital, take 2-3% out, and all of that. Right, that's the strategy I've been using with SUI and all of that. I can actually close this right now and re-enter again if I see that it should be going up. Okay, so BLZ is another trade that you can do that with. BLZ is another token that you can do that with. Okay, but I'm looking for more buy position than sell for BLZ. So I wait for a pullback. Let's see if we get down to that 12 cent level again. We'll take a trade to the upside. We'll get down to that 12 cent level again. We'll take a trade to the upside. Okay. So let me equally put this down. Okay, so you want to set a limit order. Okay, let's just monitor BLZ. You can see what it does. Let's just monitor it. I see it coming down. If you see it coming down. So in this case, what I would just do, guys, this is a secret for you. If I'm monitoring this trade, okay, I'll just go ahead and switch to the Heikanashii candle. Okay, you'll see that you're not going to see red. Normally, you'll see red candles, see all of that, but you're not going to see any red in this move. All right. So what I'll be targeting right now is when it starts printing red. When it starts printing red, it just tells you that, oh, this may be, getting the bulls are weak, getting weaker, and all of that. So it's time for you to start looking for a sell, then you can start looking for a sell up there. All right. So normally my candles on the Bybit exchange will always be on the Heikan, while here to be on the Japanese candlestick stuff. So once I start seeing red, printing red and all of that, I'll start looking for a short trade, guys. Smash that like button, okay? Smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button. LPT is still there, but it didn't move, okay? Yeah, the movement did not occur the way I expected it. It just had that initial pump and then relax. Okay, guys, smash that like button. And once again, the Gate.io trading competition, please go and join my team. I don't know why you guys don't want to join. What exactly is the problem? Is it to trade on Gate.io that is the problem? Or to deposit $100 into Gate.io that is the problem? Yeah? What exactly is the problem, guys? Can you let me know? But when somebody makes money, when I tell you now that, oh, I win an iPhone or an iPad or something like that, trading on Gate.io, that's when everybody wants to see. So this is my link for Gate.io, okay? So use this link to go join Gate.io. Just sign up for an account if you don't have a link, an account with them already. Make a deposit of $100, all right? Transfer that $100 into your Gate.io officials account, guys, and join, right? And join my team. Well, let me go to let me look for the WCTC, right? The World Crypto Trading Competition. $5 million, guys. And they only have create an account and win up to $100, okay? We only had 3,000 participants, okay? 3,200 participants, okay? Who have participated in this, and we need more people to join, guys. We need more people to join. All right, you can complete tasks and earn rewards. Just click on the draw and you qualify to go with the for my team. Nobody has joined yet. Okay, all right, thank you. I think 2 more people have joined, right? Right, so I have 2 people here making us 3, so we are 3 in number. I still need more people to join, all right? Just make a deposit, come in here and join the Team Digital, right? Join Team Digital. Let's do this together, guys. Let's do this together and go home with part of this money too. Okay, let's do it together and go with part of that money, guys. So yeah, BLZ is rejecting. BLZ is rejecting from there, guys. BLZ is rejecting from there. Let's see. Okay, my network is hanging. System is not loading. Okay, so we are. All right, guys. Okay, look at Tumu. Tumu actually dumped, right? It actually dumped. Let me look at that. I think I had a setup on Tumu. Okay, Biel's doing it, Biel's doing it, Biel's doing it, Biel's doing it. So let's look at Tumu from $1.60. Is $9.45. So yeah, looking for long entry for Tumu. Okay, yeah, so there, this one played that. But right now, I'll be looking to pick Tumu right here at $1.43. Okay, let's wait for the rejection to happen, guys. No need to rush into it. Wait for the rejection to happen. So yeah, be looking at picking a trade if Tumu gets down to this level. 42, $1.43 or $1.42. Okay. That level, we can take it up to that level and then put your stop loss just slightly below in case. All right. Yeah, in case. All right. So for Tumu, be looking to take a trade to the upside, guys. Looking to take a trade for Tumu to the upside. So let's see. Let's see if we can. As seriously, Tumu can. Okay. If you understand the way Tumu moves, right? If you understand the way this Tumu move, and you start playing with it, you can make a whole lot. Okay. Tumu can become like your favorite trading pair or so, and be making a whole lot out of it, right? If you understand the way Tumu moves and you play with it, okay, you play along with it, you will be able to make some money from it. Okay, to be able to make some money from it. So let's see if it gets down to that level, we can take a trade to the upside, right? Equally pay attention that the break of this trend will equally be a confirmation to make money with a Tumu trade. So guys, I'll be doing a lot on TikTok. So I recently joined TikTok and I was able to build a TikTok stock to 1,000. So it means that we can equally be doing live. So what I'm considering is going forward, which one will be easier, TikTok or YouTube and the rest. So I will let you know. Okay, I will let you know how it goes. I will let you know if we can start doing something on TikTok together or thereabouts. I'll let you know, guys, how it goes. Okay, I will keep you posted, whatever the decision is, guys. Let's see how we can start making this money, leveraging on all. Yeah. Give the video like, give the video like, give the video like, guys. More likes, more trades. Okay, the trend line is at the 15 minutes. Okay, this particular trend line is on the 15 minutes time frame. I just drew this on the 15 minutes time. All right, I drew this particular trend line on the 15 minutes time frame. See your blessing is all I see. Give me a moment, guys. I'll move my mic, but I'm still here. Okay, I'm still here. Let's monitor how all of these trades will play out. Right. So for tomorrow, I will look at taking a trade down there, guys. My SUI trade still going well. Let me open the SUI while we wait for tomorrow to play out. SUI. So if you have entered when we started the live stream, you would have equally been making some money and all of that. If you have started when we started the live stream this afternoon, all right, you would have equally been making money. But let's see how that plays out. Okay, let's look at 55 minutes and see how this will work out well for us. Okay, so let's see how far this is going for us. Will it be able to give us some profit? Let's see that. You guys, I'm back. Yep. Okay. I wanted to take a trade on SEI, right? But I didn't see a good setup. So I'm still waiting for that to play out. Once it play out, I will equally send a snapshot of that on the Telegram, guys. Okay. Okay, entry for Tumo. Let me equally put that on the Telegram, guys. Let me put that on Telegram as well. Let me snap and send it so that you're able to get it clearly. But please use tight stop loss, okay? Because though that is serving as a support, I'm not sure if Tumo will actually hold that. If it does, it's so use a very tight stop loss for this Tumo trade. Okay, yeah, a good area to enter would have been a break of that trend line and then a retest. All right, but which is why I drew that trend line on the 15 minutes time. Okay, a break of that and a retest will be a good entry. So let's see that Tumo comes down there and reject there. If it does, you can take a trade and target even this high of $1.61. Okay. So yeah, I'm looking at entering at 1.43. Okay, enter a trade for long for Tumo at 1.43. Let me remove all this so that you don't get confused when I post it there. So we just have entry and then just the entry. Let me send a snapshot. The entry is always in green, the take profit is in green, and then the stop loss is red. This other one that carries a timer with Tumo listed on it is a price, okay? The current price. So don't mistake that for anything else, guys. Okay, yeah, so I've posted it on the Telegram already, so you can copy the setup there. And if you want to set a limit order, go ahead and do that. Okay, if not, just wait for the trade to play out and you'll manually take the trade. Okay, guys, so smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I will have to leave you guys here. I have a meeting to attend to right now. So any other trade setup I see, I will always send a screenshot on the Telegram, okay? Until we meet again tomorrow, bye-bye for now. And don't forget, okay, to subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.